Leanne and Jeff, Inspirada TV. We're going to take a look at a townhome today.
KB build, 3253. What's the screen? Montage.
Montage.
3253 Montage.
Cute little entryway, a little front porch. Nice. Giant door.
Yeah. Oh, so this is nice because there's probably going to be 9-foot ceilings down.
Yeah. Huge.
Makes such a difference.
Yeah, it really does.
Good size island.
Yeah.
What's the square footage?
It's 1598, so almost 1600.
Stainless steel appliances.
Refrigerator stays, washer and dryer as well.
I like the outlets up there if you want to plug in your neon signs. Cafe, open, you know. Oh, this is a really interesting undermount sink.
Yeah, that's cool.
Kohler, deep.
Oh,
Oh, it has rollouts.
Love a rollout. Makes life easier.
You know what's interesting is they have 2 TV Smurf tubes in the wall.
Huh. That's interesting.
So yeah, you can either put your dining over there or you can put it over here.
Yeah. Well, that's kind of cool. Kind of opens up the way you lay it out, you know? Gives you some choices.
So we have a half bath down. Pedestal sink. Turn that one on too. Ooh, it was nice and bright. Step out to the garage. And I like how they have the extra kind of cubby over here for your garbage. Tankless water heater.
Water softener.
Water softener. Really tall ceilings, so
Yeah,
easy to add some storage.
for sure.
And it's nice to have that extra storage for your garbage cans because there's no
storage.
side yard. Oh wow, this is really deep. You know, I just saw a layout like this, and they put all of these shelves here for shoes, which I loved. And this goes way back under there.
You love the idea.
I love the idea.
Your shoes would still be all over the house.
Okay, let's head upstairs. And as always, this is when we ask that you please like and subscribe to our channel. We are out every week doing this. We've got more than 500 videos up on our YouTube channel, and it's all Inspirada. All day, all night. Okay. Yeah, cute bedroom.
Yep, cute bedroom.
Carpet's in really nice condition.
Yeah, it looks
What
new.
year is this?
This was built in 2020.
Wow, it's good condition for being 6 years
like
old at
new.
this point.
Yeah. Even the fans are really nice. Everything's, in really good condition. Single sink.
One of my complaints with the KB, everything's an upgrade. And
Yeah.
if you're going to build from dirt, you add the extra sink. But deep, clean tub.
Yeah. Great condition for sure.
Upstairs laundry. Another linen closet.
That's a big laundry
It
room.
is.
Nice.
Like the uppers.
Yeah. Very nice. This is the primary. This is closet over here. I mean, for a townhome, this is really spacious.
It really, yeah.
For real. It feels bigger than 1600.
And I like this layout better than like that 1701 or 1736, I think. So, yeah. Good storage. Another Smurf tube for the TV here. All right, so dual sinks. Leanne's pet peeve, toilet out in the open, but
It's like having a toilet in the middle of the living room.
Can't have it all.
I think we're just Las Vegans now. That's what we're used to.
So,
But everybody's not.
well, as always, Jeff and Leanne Mix, Realty One Group, Homes and Inspirada.com. Our website has every listing from every brokerage. No need to search multiple sites. If you want to see this one, reach out to us. If you're interested in homes in Henderson and you haven't looked in Inspirada, do yourself a favor. You should really explore this community because it's full of parks, everything. Okay, thanks for watching.